Experiencing problems with the Tesco Mobile app not recognizing your number? This is often due to issues with account linking or SIM matching. The app verifies your identity by matching your mobile number to the SIM card in your device. The app uses multi-factor authentication, combining your password, biometrics, and a one-time password sent to your SIM. Common causes include SIM swaps, switching to an eSIM, outdated app versions, or network instability. If the app fails to recognize your number, it's often a security measure to prevent account theft. This can occur if there are network glitches or VPN interference. Make sure your SIM is properly inserted and you have a stable network connection. First, ensure you have the latest app version. Outdated versions often have bugs that prevent proper SIM matching. Next, restart the app and your device to refresh the connection. Verify your SIM status via the My Tesco Mobile account online to ensure it is active and correctly registered. If you've recently switched devices or updated your operating system, uninstall and reinstall the app. During reinstallation, ensure you grant all necessary permissions, especially those related to phone and SIM access. If problems persist, use Tesco's online portal to verify your account and relink your SIM. As of 2023, Tesco Mobile introduced a Reset SIM Link feature to address recognition issues. Contact Tesco Mobile support through in-app chat or their website if the problem continues. Statistics show that most issues stem from user error, such as incorrect SIM insertion, and a proactive check can often resolve the problem.